In this video, I'll be showing you how to factory reset the circuit board for the Longhi. Once you have the machine powered on, hold down the X2 button and the My button until you get it to enter the menu mode. You'll see the lights change on the screen. Once that happens, hold down on the My button until you see the My circle light up. Just like that, it'll start to flash. And then hit the power button to confirm. You'll see all the lights flash, and that's it. It's been factory reset. Now, one more thing. I'll power it off for a moment and then power it back on. I just want to explain that this steam light will flash as the hot water is heating up when you first turn it on. It's not flashing right now because the hot water is already heated up. And I don't have any beans in the bean hopper right now, so that's why the red bean light is indicating that.